Hello guys, it's Sai here from All Creator Hub channel. There are tons of video out there about the Pocket 4B on the internet. By the end of the day, we can only get 14 output shots from this pocket camera. The question is it worth it to buy this pocket camera? No yapping, no blah blah blah. Let's check all of those 14 shots. First shot is the time-lapse shot. Just position Pocket 4B on the tripod and then choose the time-lapse and then just start shooting.
Stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time.
Okay guys, the second shot is the hyperlapse. Just need to choose the hyperlapse, pull the camera like this and keep walking. Shot number 3 is the motion lapse guy. Just position the Pocket 4B on the tripod and just choose from the setting either left to right or right to left or custom. For me, based on my scenario here, I choosing the right to left. Shot number 4 with Pocket 4B is 4K normal video shot.
Feet hit the ground, the pulse is strong, chasing the echoes all along. No looking back, no turning around. The thrill of life is what we found. We raise the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Shot number 5 with Pocket 4B is the D-Log profile shot. Normal D-Log and then D-Log 2 guy. This is D-Log 2. This is D-Log 2. Okay guys, this is the D-Log. Okay, this is a D-Log 2. Okay guys, shot number 6 with the Pocket 4B is the zooming shot. Okay guys, this is the 3x zoom. We can see the yellow fly. This is the 6x zoom. The fly is keep moving. And this is the 12x zoom guy. The footage still look pretty good with the 12x zoom. Absolutely cool guy. If you press one more time, it's go back to 3x zoom. Shot number 7, print in color profile shot. Guys, this is the CC frame. This is the NC frame. This is the pasta. This is the warm tone. This is the movie. This is the retro color profile. The last one, guys.
Pintará, oh, muétará. Swaha Om Amarani Jivanti Swaha Om Hayagriva Om Hayagriva Vajra Sattva Samaya Om Vajra Sattva Samaya Padma Padma Om Vajra Sattva Samaya Manupalaya.
Guys, shot number 8 with Pocket4P is the low light shot.
Dridho me bhava, sutosho me bhava, suposho me bhava, anurakto me bhava, sarva siddhim me prayakcha, sarva karma sukha me chittam shreya.
Okay guys, shot number 10 is macro detail shot.
Bhagavan sarva tathagata vajrama me muncha vajri bhava mahasamaya sattva ahum om aham vajguru padma siddhiham om aham
Shot number 11 is a Photoshop. Shot number 12 is the panorama photo shot. Next shot is the slow motion shot, guys.
Om Mani Padme Hum Om Mani Padme Hum Om Tare Ture Swaha Om Tare Ture Swaha Om Aham Om
The last shot, shot number 14 with the Pocket4P is the rotational shot, either 90 degree or 180 degree, guys. Let's check it out. And then press the rotation. It will be rotating again. Okay guys, just finished showing you guys all the 14 output shot we can get from the Pocket4P. Which one you guys like most? Let me know in the comment below, guys. With the price is offer, I think it's really worth it to get this pocket camera. If you guys interested to check the lunar artwork, can check in my video up there too. I see you guys next time. Bye.